If you ever find yourself in a situation where you know someone is going to Japan, ask them to buy you coffee. And maybe you do it in a joking way, maybe you don't actually expect anything, but sometimes it works out for the best. Because sometimes you end up with 4 bags of coffee. Huge shout out to Max in Savannah. And not just 4 bags of any coffee, 4 bags of Leaves Coffee Roasters coffee. And one of them came with a recipe card. Let's brew it. I'm going to be brewing one of the Ethiopians I got. I got 2 Ethiopians, a Kenyan, and a Honduras coffee. Again, huge shout out to Max in Savannah. If you didn't catch it on the recipe card yet, like you haven't paused it and looked at it yet, here it is again. One big note on this recipe card. The brew time's 1.5 to 2 minutes. If you actually look at the steps, it's a fast 30 seconds followed up by another 100 grams. That's pretty fast. Followed up by another fast 70 grams of water. It's like literally 0, 30 seconds, 45 seconds. So keep that in mind. You might want a fast filter. I'm going to be using an Abaca cone filter. These are notoriously quick and they don't specify a grind size, but I'm thinking probably about a level 6 on the O2 with SSPs. We're gonna find out. Oh, also note on the recipe card, they specify the pouring speeds for each step as well. Again, kind of quick, so keep that in mind. We'll try our best to hit those speeds as well. Also, this is their size 1 V60. I don't have a size 1 V60 in plastic, but I do have a resin size 1 origami. So yeah, pretty much the same thing. All right, we have our 13 grams of coffee in there. Again, this is a fast recipe, so make sure you have a kettle that can pour fast. All right, the first pour is a 30 gram bloom at 7.5 grams per second, so it's relatively quick. Let's reset this and we'll start it up. So we'll let that bloom for 30 seconds, and then the second pour at 30 seconds is 100 grams, so a total of 130 grams at 15 grams per second. So again, that is a very fast pour. I'm sorry I'm repeating that over and over, but learn from my mistakes. And then at 45 seconds, we go to 200. A little slower at 10 seconds, which I'm not very good at pouring very quickly. Usually I do a lot of slow pouring. And then we let it drain. So finish just about at the 2-minute mark. Pull it off, grab a cup. Given how fast this recipe is, I'm expecting this cup to be pretty light, pretty tea-like, and it should be pretty enjoyable. So have fun brewing, have fun playing around with this. See if you like this style of coffee. Enjoy. Okay, real quick, I just tried it. It is very tea-like, but there is a ton of flavor here and these notes are popping out. So I think once you actually get this dialed in and get very precise, like the Leaves crew probably is and does brew like, or how they do it, approach brewing, it's going to be a fantastic cup. Even if you don't like tea like cups, which I don't normally do, but man, this is good. Tons of flavor here.